Hey everyone, welcome. Got the Aula F75 mechanical keyboard lighting up your whole room. Whether you're gaming late or just want a clean setup, here's how to turn off the RGB or LED lighting. So, my friends, you need to press on FN plus key to cycle through lighting modes. Keep pressing it until you reach the off mode, which disables the RGB entirely. If you don't want to turn it off fully, you can try FN plus arrow up or arrow down keys to increase or decrease brightness. Lower the brightness to the minimum and the lights will appear off. Also, if you're using Aula's official driver software, you can open the RGB settings and turn off lights completely or assign a static black profile. Some versions support FN plus escape for reset, or FN plus S to save your custom light profile. So you just need to check the user manual. So as you can see, we have multiple variations of key combinations that perform different actions. Also, user on Reddit wrote, as you can see, you need to press FN plus left plus shift, and you will turn off the lights completely. So that's how it's done. Clean desk, less distraction. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. See you soon.